Hello, so I'm going to show you the curriculums that I have developed for UNIV's school year. We use a site called Schoology, which I'm sure you know of. And under courses, here are many of the classes that I have helped create FSA countdowns and even just year-long content. So I'm going to take you into the 8th grade biology class that we have. That's considered a high school course here. And I had separated each folder into a unit. If you click on a unit, let's look at reproduction and cell division. I've done an unpacking the standard. So here we're looking at what exactly is the standard asking about and how is this going to be assessed on the test. Students can also record what they already know, and teachers can then assess what they need to know for the state test. Going back to here, I also did a little extra legwork, and I love Amoeba Sisters for science. So I went through their site and I found every single video that corresponded to the given unit. So here we have Amoeba Sisters chromosomes, meiosis, meiosis versus mitosis, and it keeps going. I even included foldables and visual representations so the teacher can go in, look at the resource, and then utilize it in the classroom. Now, many of these are created by CSUSA or by the CRTs, so it's pretty much fair game. I even uploaded practice tasks that came from the state's website or from our company so that students had a very fair representation of what they would be asked on the state test. I can show you a math one as well. So here we have our Algebra EOC prep course. And what I had done was I built out calendars for students to go look at, and teachers as well. And if they worked on the calendar, they would have a spiralized countdown to the actual test. So here's January, and here they're utilizing Math Nation, which is a Algebra EOC prep book published by the University of Florida. If they were to follow the section topics, they would have not only a spiralized review, but it would also reinforce the current skill in class. So it's kind of twofold, which is nice. And at the end of the section, they would have to take the test yourself to prove mastery. In this course, I also uploaded practice tests that I used when I was a teacher, and also what is published by the state of Florida. If you have any questions on those two, please feel free to ask. I also created a group for Science Symposium, which is our 5th grade in-house hands-on lab. So what this is our 5th grade cohort takes the FCAT this year, and their mastery helps us not only with their school grade, but with placement for upcoming courses in middle school. Here you can see some of the recent symposiums that we had. Our first one was on plants. The second one was on weathering and erosion. I need to update the third one, which was on moon phases. But this is basically a week of lesson plans along with instructional software built in and the physical lab that we did. So here we dissected a flower. There's a video in here as well where you can see us actually doing the experiment, which was really cool. And then a small group video lab that we did as well. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.